students, welcome to Odansar High School classes. Today we will discuss the remaining part of the future tense. I have already discussed and I have already written down on the blackboard the two number of tenses, present tense and past tense, and future tense, the simple future tense, and the other three number of tenses are not discussed before you, and I am completing the remaining part of the future tense. Let us start the future tense, future progressive affirmative. The pattern is the subject plus shall or will plus be plus ing verb. और ओडिया चिन्ह होची पृथ्वी means a progressive form, a future intention or wish of a speaker. What will be happened in the future in a progressive way is the future progressive tense. What will be happened in the future in a perfect form, that will be the future perfect tense. What will be happened in the future perfect progressive, that is known as a future perfect progressive, and we will discuss one by one. Now you see subject plus shall or will plus be plus ing. I shall be eating. Mu khauthibi. I shall be eating. We shall be eating. Ante mane khauthibu. You will be eating. You will be eating. He will be eating. She will be eating. They will be eating. Ram will be eating. The boys will be eating. Suppose I will go there. I will stay there, and I will be having my meals. I will be taking notes from the teachers, and this is the future aim or intention of a speaker, and what will happen in the future in a progressive form. And write down, and I have written on the blackboard. Here I have done the frame and the tense pattern. Tense. Now the negative form of a future progressive. The pattern is this: subject plus shall or will plus not plus be plus ing. Now I shall not be eating. I shall not be eating. Mu khau nathibi. We shall not be. There are some cross marks. Under the I shall not be eating. We shall not be eating. You will not be eating. You will not be eating. He will not be eating. She will not be eating. Rama will not be eating. They will not be eating. The boys will not be eating. Now the interrogative form of the future progressive tense: shall or will plus subject plus be plus ing. Shall I be eating? Mu खाउथिबि कि? Shall we be eating? आम्भे माने खाउथिबु कि? Will you be eating? तुमे खाउथिबो कि? Will you be eating? तुमे माने खाउथिबो कि? Will he be eating? से खाउथिबो कि? Will she be eating? से खाउथिबो कि? Will they be eating? से मान खाउथिबि कि? So this is the future progressive tense. Remember the pattern. Remember the tense setting sentences, and then you make the translations regarding the future progressive tense, and then your English knowledge will be developed in a progressive form. You can write in future progressive tense. Now let us discuss the future perfect tense. Now let's get started. The future perfect tense. The affirmative form sentence pattern is subject plus shall or will plus have plus past participle form, and this is the pattern. And you see the tense pattern: subject plus shall, will plus have plus past participle. Now I am writing the tense. I shall have eaten. Mu khaithibi. It is the future prediction of a person of a speaker, what will be happened in future means भविष्य रे कौन हो मुझे खाई so this type of sentence I shall have eaten, we shall have eaten, आंबे माने खाई you will have eaten, तुम्हें खाई you will have eaten, तुम्हें माने खाई he will have eaten, से खाई she will have eaten, से खाई Ram will have eaten, Ramo खाई they will have eaten, से माने खाई the boys will have eaten, पिला माने खाई Now you write down the affirmative form of the future perfect tense. Now the future perfect tense. The negative form of future perfect tense is subject plus shall or will plus not plus have plus past participle form. Not will be placed here, not here, have not. Shall, will plus not, because it is the future tense. Shall not, shan't, will not, won't. So the contractor form will be possible if not will be placed here. So subject plus shall or will plus not plus have plus past participle is the sentence structure of the future perfect tense. I shall not have eaten. Mu khai no thibi. We shall not have eaten. Ambe mane khai no thibu. He will not have eaten. Tume khai no thibo. He will not have eaten. Tume mane khai no thibo. He will not have eaten. Se khai no thibo. Rama will not have eaten. Rama khai no thibo. They will not have eaten. Semana khai no thibo. The boys will not have eaten. Pila mane khai no thibo. Now you see the interrogative form of future perfect tense. The pattern is shall or will plus subject plus have plus past participle. Shall I have eaten? Mu khai thibi ki. Shall we have eaten? Ambe mane khai thibu ki. Shall will you have eaten? Tume khai thibo ki. Will you have eaten? Tume mane khai thibo ki. Will he have eaten? Se khai thibo ki. Will they have eaten? Se mane khai thibe ki. So this is the tense form and you write down the future perfect tense. Now students, the last part of the future tense, the future perfect progressive tense. In affirmative, the sentence pattern is the subject plus shall or will plus have plus been plus ing verb. I shall have been eating. Mu khaya suthibi. We shall have been eating. Amena khaya suthibu. You will have been eating. Tume khaya suthibo. You will have been eating. Tume mana khaya suthibo. He will have been eating. Se khaya suthibo. She will have been eating. Se khaya suthibo. Ram will have been eating. Ramo khaya suthibo. They will have been eating. Semana khaya suthibe. The boys will have been eating. Pilamana khaya suthibe. In the affirmative form, this is the sentence pattern. It is the future perfect progressive tense. And remember to write down the affirmative form of the future perfect progressive tense. Now, the negative form of the future perfect progressive tense. This is the pattern: subject plus shall or will plus not plus have plus been plus ing verb. Now, I shall not have been eating. Mu khai asunothibi. We shall not have been eating. Ambeman khai asunothibu. You will not have been eating. Tume khai asunothibo. You will not have been eating. Tume mane khai asunothibo. He will not have been eating. Se khai asunothibo. She will not have been eating. Se khai asunothibo. Ram will not have been eating. Ramo khai asunothibo. They will not have been eating. Se mane khai asunothibe. The boys will not have been eating. Pila mane khai asunothibe. Now the future perfect progressive tense and its interrogative form. Shall or will plus subject plus have plus been plus ing. Shall I have been eating? Shall I have been eating? Mu khaya suthibi ki. Shall we have been eating? Ambe mane khaya suthibi ki. Will you have been eating? Tume khaya suthibo ki. Will you have been eating? Tume mane khaya suthibo ki. Will he have been eating? Se khaya suthibo ki. Will she have been eating? Se khaya suthibo ki. Will they have been eating? Se mane khaya suthibo ki. Will the boys have been eating? Pila mane khaya suthibo ki. Now there are some cross marks and you will write them yourself. This is in the negative form. There are cross marks. In the interrogative form, the cross marks you will have to fill up the gaps. You will have to fill up in your notebooks, and you will keep the tense forms in your notebook, and you completely memorize the sentence patterns, and you apply in your day-to-day life. To apply in your day-to-day life with the English tenses, there requires the correct use of tense, and we will discuss later. Remember only one thing, we will discuss, and the correct use of tense you must remember, you must note down the points, how to use correctly the tense forms, the sentences, the perfect sentence, the good sentences, the right sentences in the right way, in the perfect way. There will be no error, and we will discuss the grammar topic, correct use of tense, in the next class. Now, for this time, I am concluding my tense chart form, and I have already written. I have completed the tense, English tense, and now you write down the negative and interrogative form of the future perfect progressive tense. Now I am concluding my teaching class.